Are you curious about how Windows 11 stacks up against Bazzite? Let's dive into this comparison and see what each option offers. Both Windows 11 and Bazzite are designed to help users get their tasks done efficiently. They provide tools for productivity, entertainment, and communication, but they go about it in different ways. Windows 11 is the latest operating system from Microsoft. It has a sleek design and focuses on user experience. You will find features like a redesigned start menu, improved multitasking, and better gaming support. It's great for both work and play. On the other hand, Bazzite is a newer platform that aims to simplify online collaboration. It offers tools for project management, communication, and file sharing. Bazzite is all about helping teams work together seamlessly no matter where they are. Now, let's look at the key differences. Windows 11 is an operating system, while Bazzite is more of a collaboration tool. This means they serve different purposes. Windows 11 is installed on your computer, while Bazzite works through your web browser. When it comes to features, Windows 11 shines with its gaming capabilities and customizable interface. Bazzite, however, excels in team collaboration with its chat features and project tracking tools. In terms of pricing, Windows 11 usually requires a one-time purchase or subscription depending on the version. Bazzite often has a subscription model which can vary based on team size and features. So, which one should you choose? If you need a powerful operating system for personal use or gaming, Windows 11 is the way to go. But if you're part of a team looking for a collaboration tool, Bazzite could be your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.